Hi children, good evening. So in previous video we learnt conversion of negative exponent to positive exponents. How to write negative exponent as a positive exponents. Then also we learnt then how to find its value. In before videos we learnt what are exponents, how they are, what is the meaning of an exponential number, and we studied laws of exponents. Yes or no? Okay. So if we know all these basic concepts, then it is very easy to solve the exercise answers. That's why I revised laws of exponents and conversion of negative exponent to positive exponent in our previous videos. So now we shall get into the exercise 2.1. Okay. So find the value of the following. Okay, we have to find the value of these three exponents. So students, observe the first exponent, observe its power, which is -2. Then tell me which type of exponent it is. Yes, if power of an exponent is negative, then it is called negative exponent. That we learnt in our previous video. Recall that. So if an exponent is negative power, to find the value of that negative exponent, first we should convert that negative exponent into positive exponent. That we learnt by the property. Recall that previous video. A be any integer and it is not equal to 0, raised to the power -1, this is equals to 1 divided by, write the same fraction in the denominator with positive power. So this is conversion of negative exponent to positive exponent. Then observe, we studied this concept also. A by b raised to the power -1. Yes. So its positive exponent is, through some examples we verified its positive exponent form is, we interchange numerator and denominator. That is b by a and write the power +1. This is negative exponent. Yes, its positive exponent is b by a raised to the power 1. Interchange the numerator and denominator of the fraction. Here this fraction has a base, power is -1. Interchange the numerator and denominator, that is b by a, and write instead of -1 write +1, that is conversion. And we studied some results, that is a to the power 0, its value is always equals to 1. Anything raised to the power 0 is always equals to 1. Clear? So observe 3 to the power -2. First convert this negative exponent to positive exponent, then find its value. See how I will do. Its positive exponent is, we make a fraction. In the numerator we write 1. In the denominator we write the whole fraction with positive power. That is 3 to the power 2. Clear? Just make a fraction. In its numerator write 1. In the denominator of that fraction write whole of fraction with positive power. Now we converted this negative exponent to positive exponent. Then find its value. 1 divided by 3 square. What is the value of 3 square? This we can obtain by writing 3 is multiplied 2 times, no? Or you can write directly, no problem, answer. So 1 divided by 3 into 3, 9. So the value of 3 raised to the power minus 2 is 1 divided by 9. Clear? Okay, see the next one. So base is minus 4, power is minus 2. So this is also negative exponent. So before finding its value, first convert it into positive exponent form, then find its value. That is, make a fraction. In its numerator, write 1. That's write 1. In the denominator, write whole of fraction, whole exponent in denominator. Here it is minus 1 now, so write its power as plus 1. So what is the whole fraction? Minus 4 raised to the power, don't write as minus 2, write its power as plus 2. Plus 2. Clear? Then 1 divided by minus 4 raised to the power 2, we can write minus 4 is multiplied itself how many times? 2 times. Okay? Then 1 divided by minus into minus plus 4 into 4, 16. So the value of minus 4 raised to the power minus 2 is 1 divided by 16. Clear? See the next one. Now the base is a fraction. Base of this exponent is fraction. So 1 by 2 raised to the power minus 5. When an exponent has fraction as a base and with negative as a power, such exponent is also negative exponent. So to find its value, convert it into positive fraction. So we learnt in our previous video through some examples, we concluded that if the base of an exponent is fraction and it is negative, its conversion is write the numerator and denominator of the fraction, that is b by a, and write the positive power. Clear? This we learn. Apply the same thing for this negative exponent. So change the numerator and denominator, that is write 2 in the numerator and 1 in the denominator, and instead of minus 5, write its power as plus 5. This is conversion of negative exponent to positive exponent. Then simplify. 2 divided by 1. Anything divided by 1 is anything always. So 2 divided by 1, its value is 2. Then what remains? Raised to the power 5. And 2 is what it indicates? 2 is multiplied 5 times. What is its value? Okay, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 1, 2, 3, 4 into 5. 2 is multiplied 5 times. This is same as 2 raised to the power 5. So find the product. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 to the 32. So this is equals to 32. The value of 1 by 2 raised to the power minus 5 is equals to 32. Clear? So this is all based on conversion of negative exponent to positive exponent, negative exponent to positive exponent. That we learned in the previous video. Using that knowledge, we can easily simplify, we can easily find the value of this negative exponents. Clear? Okay, dear children, pause the video. write the solutions of these three, and we will come back shortly. Write it now. Okay, dear students, see the second one. Simplify the following and express the answer in positive power exponent. Okay, so now this is first one, second one, third one. I will give you fourth one and fifth one as yourself do these two as a homework. Clear? So understand how I am going to solve. Yes, record those steps for those two and do those as homework. So now see this one. First, simplify. We have to simplify. We use these concepts: conversion of negative exponent to positive exponent, and we use laws of exponents. Yes, use all the concepts related to exponents, then simplify and write the answer in exponential form. That exponent should be positive power. Clear? So say, so minus 4 raised to the power 5 divided by, its symbol it is divided by symbol. Minus 4 raised to the power 8. So this is same as, this thing is same as minus 4 raised to the power 5 divided by minus 4 raised to the power 8. So now this is of the form a raised to m divided by a raised to n. So this is division of two exponents having same base. Yes or no? Then by laws of second law of exponent, how to divide one exponent by another exponent? Both exponents have same base. So use that law. What is that law? So now that is a raised to m divided by a raised to n equals a raised to m minus 1. So by using this second law, we can simplify division of these two exponents. That is, let's apply second law. So we write the base as it is, minus 4. Yes, a, here a is minus 4, write it as a base, and m minus n, 5 minus 8. So write 5 minus 8. Clear? Then simplify. This is equals to, write the base minus 4 as it is. Okay, then 5 minus 8. So subtract 8 from 5 is not possible. Subtract 5 from 8 is possible. So 8 minus 5 is 3. So the sign of bigger number is negative. So put the sign negative. Clear? Now, this is by second law of exponent. See what they said. Express the answer in positive power exponent. Here see the answer is negative power exponent. Yes or no? So we convert this into positive power exponent. Use that earlier concept. A raised to the power minus 1 is equal to its positive exponent is, make a fraction, write 1 in the denominator, and in the denominator write whole fraction with positive power. Okay, do the same. That is, make a fraction, write 1 in the numerator, and in the denominator write whole fraction minus 4 raised to the power plus 3. Clear? So now observe here, dear children. Here in this case, what is the power of this exponent? Plus 3, no? So this is in positive exponent. Clear? So the simplification of the division of these two exponents is 1 divided by minus 4 raised to the power plus 3. Clear? Then see this second one. 1 divided by 2 raised to the power 3 whole raised to the power 2. To simplify this exponent, we use fifth law of exponent. What it states? That it states that a raised to m divided by b raised to m. This is equals to a by b whole raised to the power m. Which like is fifth law of exponent. Yes or wrong? We studied that. So this fifth law states that this is also about division of two exponents having same power. Yes, such division is same as, okay, divide the base of first exponent by the base of second exponent and write the powers as a common, whole common, that is power. So this thing is also related to the same thing. A by b whole raised to the power m is same as a raised to the power m divided by b raised to the power m. This m is there, no? That is related to both numerator and that is related to both denominator. Reverse process. Clear? So by fifth law of exponent, this is equals to, or this we can write 1 raised to the power 2. This 2 is related to both numerator and that 2 is related to both denominator. That is, denominator is already 2 cube raised to the power 2. Clear? See, a by b, a divided by this is all b whole raised to the power m is equals to a raised to m divided by b raised to m. This is equals to a raised to m 1 raised to 2 divided by b raised to m, that is 2 cube whole raised to the power 2. So then simplify. So now see what happens. 1 square, when 1 is multiplied 2 times, what is its value? 1. Then to simplify this, which law helps us to simplify power of an exponent power? Yes, we use third law of exponent. What is that third law? A raised to the power m raised to the power m is equal to a raised to the power m plus n. Clear? We use that concept, that third law we use to simplify this. Yes? So by third law, this is equals to 2 raised to 3 into 2. Here they multiplied. A raised to m, this is not plus, this is into. So write the base as it is, multiply the powers m into n. So I used the same thing. Write the base 2 as it is, 3 into 2, 3 into 2. Clear? Then, so 1 divided by, write the base 2 as it is, yes, 3 into 2, 3 into 2 is 6. Clear? Then, this thing is same as, this we can write, see how I will write this, 1 by 2 whole raised to the power 6. Yes or no? So 1 divided by 2. So this is same as this 1 by 2 whole raised to the power 6 is same as the previous step, 1 by 2 raised to 6. Because here 1 raised to the power 6 is how much? 1. Yes or no? So this 1 we can write 1 raised to the power 6. Yes. And 2 raised to the power 6. 2 raised to the power 6. So this is same as 1 divided by 2 raised to the power 6. Now the answer is 1 by 2 raised to the power 6 is in positive exponent. Clear? Then see this third one. So minus 3 raised to the power 4 into a by b raised to the power m. See the fifth law, a by b raised to the power m. is equal to a raised to the power m divided by b raised to the power m. Yes. So reverse process. So we do the same. So 5 by 3 raised to the power 4. This we can write by fifth law. By fifth law. This we can write 5 raised to the power 4 divided by 3 raised to the power 4. Yes or no? Okay. Then observe. Here is a product minus 3 raised to the power 4 and it is 5 raised to the power 4. So which law helps us to simplify the product of these two exponents? So observe, these two exponents have they have different base, same powers. So observe that fourth law. What it states by fourth law? A into B raised to the power m is same as A raised to the power m into B raised to the power m. Yes or no, dear children? A into B raised to the power m is equals to A raised to the power m into B raised to the power m. Or 1 minute. Or this we can write like this also. That is A raised to the power m into B raised to the power m is equal to A into B raised to the power m. Fourth law of exponent it is. Product of two exponents having same powers, different bases. Product of such exponents is equal to, that is same as, we multiply the bases, that is A into B, and write the power as it is. So observe these two exponents, they have same power and different bases. So which law helps us to simplify or find the product of these two exponents? This fourth law. So by fourth law, we multiply the bases, that is minus 3 into 5 and write the power 4. Clear? Which law I applied here? Fourth law used. And what is the denominator? Here is the denominator 1. 1 into 3 raised to the power 4 is 3 raised to the power 4. Clear? Then simplify this one. So minus 3 into 5. How much? Minus 15 raised to the power 4 divided by 3 raised to the power 4. 3 raised to the power 4. Then further, this is equals to, okay, this is 4. Yes, how to simplify this? Think. Just think about it. How to simplify? Dear children, see, this minus 15 is there one. This minus 15, we can write minus 3, or observe one minute. Minus its power 4 is positive or negative. Let's multiply minus 4 times, it becomes plus or minus. See here, minus into minus into minus into minus. 1, 2, 3, 4. So minus raised to the power 4 is positive or negative. Minus into minus plus, plus into minus, minus, minus into minus, plus. And minus is multiplied itself 4 times, or minus raised to the power 4 is always positive. So its value is positive. So we are with only 15 raised to the power 4 divided by 3 raised to the power 4. Clear? Again, how to simplify this Observe here. See this sutla. A raised to the power m divided by b raised to the power m. This is same as a by b raised to the power m. So this also looks like here. This also looks like second law of exponents. Bases are different, powers are same. Bases are different, powers are same. So apply. Don't worry. Apply second law of exponent. By second law of exponent, this is equals to 15 by 3 raised to the power 4. Clear? So which law I used there? I used fifth law of exponent. Clear? Then simplify it. This is equals to 3 1 ja 3 5 ja. So what remains? 5 raised to the power 4. Clear? 3 1 ja 3, 3 5 ja 15. So base is 5, power is 4. Positive exponent. So the value of this product of these two exponents is 5 raised to the power 4. Clear? So dear children, here I used fourth law of exponents to multiply these two because they have same power, different bases. So here I used and write the denominator as it is. Clear? And this is the remaining thing. Minus 3 into 5 is minus 15 raised to the power 4 as it is. Again 3 raised to the power 4 as it is in the denominator. Minus 4 is multiplied 4 times means it is positive. So now neglect this negative. 15 raised to the power 4 divided by 3 raised to the power 4. So now here a raised to m divided by a raised to n. This is equals to a by b raised to the power m. Again the same thing I applied here. That is 15 by 3 raised to the power 4. Then 3 1 ja 3 5. Okay. So what we are with in the base as a base, we have 5 as a base and 4 as a 4, and this is the answer. Clear? So we use laws of exponents to simplify this. Yes? So this is the rule of laws of exponents. Okay? So again dear children, pause the video, write the solutions and do fourth one and fifth one as homework. Okay? We'll meet shortly. Write it now. Okay, dear children, see the third one. Find the value of these. Now we'll discuss first one, second one, and third one. So refer these solutions. How I am going to solve. Then do these two sums as homework. Fourth one and fifth one. Okay, see. So we have to find the value of each of these sums. Clear? See, 3 raised to the power 0. What is its value? We know that anything raised to the power 0 is always 1. So 3 raised to the power 0, its value is 1. So write here 1 plus 4 raised to the power minus 1. So first convert that into positive exponent. That is, make a fraction, write 1 in the numerator, in the denominator write whole exponent with positive power. Yes or no? Then this implies 1 plus 1 by 4. 4 raised to the power 1 is 4. So put the bracket and here it is 2 to the power 2. Okay. Then so here also it is into 2 to the power 2. Simplify. How to add these two? This is addition of a whole number by a fraction. How to add these two? By taking LCM. So what is the denominator of this one? It has 1 as a denominator. So what is the LCM of 1 and 4? That is 4. 1 how much of 4? 1 4 ja. 4 how much of 4? 4 1 ja. We have to write that one here. Then multiply 4 into 1, 4 plus 1 into 1, 1. Put the bracket, square bracket, into what is the value of 2 raised to the power 2, and 2 is multiplied itself. What is its value? 2 into 2, 4. Its value is 4. Then add these two. 4 plus 1 is 5 by 4 into 4. Remove this. Clear? Then 4 1 ja, 4 1 ja. Gets cancelled. So what remains? 5 into 1 is 5. 5 divided by 1 is 5. So the value of this sum is 5. What is the answer? 5. Clear? See the second one. So 2 raised to the power minus 1 into 4 raised to the power minus 1. Bracket complete. Divided by 2 raised to the power minus 2. So now, before going to divide this by this, because there is division, before going to divide, yes, to simplify the product of these two exponents, check which law helps us to multiply these two exponents. These two exponents have different ways, same power. That is fourth law. What it states? A raised to m into b raised to m. This is same as a into b raised to the power m. Observe. Bases are different, powers are same. Bases are different, powers are same. So such product of exponents is same as product of their bases and write the power as it is. We do the same. Apply the same law. That is, we multiply the bases. That is 2 into 4. Yes. Write the power as this. Here the power is minus 1. Okay. Divided by 2 raised to the power minus 2. Then, so multiply 2 into 4. How much? 8. 8 raised to the power minus 1. And here it is divided by 2 raised to the power minus 2. Then divide. What is this? Positive exponent. 8 raised to the power minus 1. Convert it into positive exponent. Make a fraction. Write 1 in the denominator. Numerator. Write this whole exponent in the denominator with positive power. Yes. Divided by. Convert this exponent also positive exponent, because it is negative exponent now. Convert it into negative positive exponent. Its positive exponent form is make a fraction, write 1 in the denominator, numerator, and this whole exponent in the denominator with positive power. Minus 2 becomes plus 2. Then simplify. 1 divided by 8 raised to the power 1. Its value is 8. Divided by 1. What is the value of 2 raised to the power 2? And 2 is raised to the power 2. Its value is 4. So write here 4. Then see the next step. Actually it is division. So in 7th standard we learned that division of a fraction by a fraction. So to divide a fraction by another fraction, so this is dividend, this is divisor. So write the dividend as it is, that is 1 by 8. Convert this division symbol into multiplication symbol. Then write the reciprocal of divisor. What is the reciprocal of 1 by 4? That is 4 by 1. This we learned in 7th standard. Use that earlier knowledge. Reciprocal of 1 by 4 is obtained by interchanging its numerator and denominator. 1 by 4, its reciprocal is 4 by 1, which is obtained by interchanging numerator and denominator of the given fraction. So then simplify. 4 1 ja, 4 2 ja. Then 1 into 1, 1 divided by 2 into 1, 2. So the value of this exponential sum is 1 divided by 2. Clear? Then see the third one. So these are all negative exponents. See their powers, negative powers each have. So they have negative power, they are negative exponents, and bases are fractions. Okay, so we know that when the base is fraction a by b and power is negative, yes, so negative exponent, its positive exponent is simply interchange numerator and denominator, that is b by a, and write positive power. Here it is minus 1, here it is plus 1. So this is the conversion of negative exponent to positive exponent when base of an exponent is fraction. Clear? So do the same. 1 by 2 raised to the power minus 2. This is same as 2 by 1 raised to the power, instead of minus 2, what we should write? Plus 2. So write here 2 plus 1 by 3. This we can write 3 by 1 raised to the power plus 2 plus 4 by 1 raised to the power plus 2. Clear? So then 2 by 1, its value is 2 raised to the power 2. 3 by 1, its value is 3 raised to the power 2, plus 4 by 1 is 4 raised to the power 2. Clear? Then find the value of each. 2 its square, 2 into 2, 4. 3 its square, 3 into 3, 9. 4 its square, 4 into 4, 16. So what is the sum? Yes, 16 plus 4, 20. 20 plus 9, 29. So the value of this exponential sum is how much? 29. Dear children, so based on laws of exponent and using negative exponent to positive exponent conversion and some values of exponent, using these basic things, so now we solved 3 minutes of exercise 2.1. In the next video, we will solve the remaining exercise sums and next concept of this problem. Clear? So this is about today's class. So tomorrow we will meet you again. Bye.